Tracking outbound sales can be a challenge, especially when you're trying to streamline processes and keep track of all interactions across various channels. Salesflare makes it incredibly easy to do this in one place. In this video, we'll show you how to track outbound sales with Salesflare, giving you everything you need to stay organized and on top of your sales game. Now, before we dive in, remember you can access Salesflare completely free from the first link in the description below with exclusive bonuses to get you started. So stick around, we've got some exciting tips coming your way. Salesflare is a CRM that's built specifically for small and medium-sized businesses. It automatically gathers contact information, logs communication, and lets you track every step of your sales process. For outbound sales teams, this is a game changer. You can seamlessly track emails, calls, and follow-ups, all while ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. When you're working with outbound sales, the first step is often identifying the leads you're reaching out to. With Salesflare, this is automated. As you connect with potential leads, the software pulls in their information and organizes it for you, so you don't have to manually enter everything. It even tracks your interactions with them, automatically logging each email or call, so you always know the last step in the sales process. The next thing you'll love is the sales pipeline feature. In Salesflare, you can create and manage multiple pipelines that reflect different stages of your outbound sales cycle. Whether you're reaching out to new leads, nurturing prospects, or following up with warm opportunities, everything is right at your fingertips. Salesflare's pipeline view helps you easily monitor your sales team's progress and see where deals are in the pipeline, helping you make informed decisions without hunting through endless spreadsheets. One of the most powerful features of Salesflare for outbound sales tracking is its automation. You don't need to worry about manually reminding yourself to follow up with leads or send specific emails. Salesflare's automation system can create reminders for you and your team, so you never forget to follow up at just the right time. This can be the difference between closing a deal or losing it to a competitor. Additionally, Salesflare offers email tracking that lets you know when your emails are opened and clicked. You can track whether leads are engaging with the content you've sent, helping you tailor your next steps for maximum effectiveness. If a lead opens an email but doesn't respond, Salesflare can help you set up follow-up sequences, ensuring that you never miss a chance to reconnect with a lead. Another thing worth mentioning is Salesflare's reporting and analytics features. These give you insight into your outbound sales efforts, allowing you to measure success and identify areas for improvement. You can track key metrics like email open rates, response rates, and the conversion rate from lead to customer, helping you optimize your outbound sales strategy. One of the coolest parts of Salesflare is its integrations. Whether you're using Gmail, Outlook, or another email service, it integrates seamlessly with your tools. You can also connect Salesflare with other tools you use for sales, marketing, and customer support, ensuring all your processes are connected in one place. By now, it should be clear that Salesflare offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help track and optimize your outbound sales. Whether you're new to outbound sales or just looking for a more efficient system, Salesflare has everything you need to streamline your workflow, track your efforts, and improve your sales performance. And remember, if you're ready to try Salesflare for yourself, use the link below for an exclusive extended free trial with bonuses, giving you all the features you need to get started and make the most out of your outbound sales efforts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to take advantage of the free trial to experience the full power of Salesflare today.